we are at farm, and today we are at farm and we were exploring these all plants, vegetables, and these all things. Those are tomatoes, those are corianders, and that all thing. So I noticed one thing. That is, there are many bugs inside. See? Also in the tomatoes. So I say to my father that let's make an organic pesticide.
Let's make it.
Let's make it. This is the large neem tree. I'm going to pluck some stems. And now let's go to that pair. Over here I have lots of neem leaves. So I'm going to put these, all of them. And then I'll take all of the leaves and put it in the water. So now we are going to boil it. And then, as you know, there's a bit of flavor in these leaves. So, as you know that we don't like bitter flavors, so that is why bugs also doesn't like it. So whenever we put this bitter flavor water inside the leaf, the bugs will be whole dead, and then the plant will be happy without the bugs. Guys, I put it all the pesticide inside this spray, and I'm going to put it inside the plant so the plant will not be harmed with chemicals. So that is why we should use organic pesticides. So these are all the small bugs which are harming the plant. So we'll run them away.